Indawo yasemanzi Mtoti ithathwa njengesibili ngokuphepha KwaZulu-Natal. Eminyakeni edlule le ndawo ihlaselwe kakhulu ubugebengu obufana nodlame oluyamene nobulili, ukubanjwa kwenkunzi, ukuntshontshwa kwekhopha nokudunwa kwezimoto. Kepha ngeqhaza elibanjwe izinhlaka zokuphepha zomphakathi lehlile izinga lobugebengu.
Crime is not that bad because of the effort that has been put by all our role players together with our security companies, our SAPs, our Metro Police, and every single patroller that goes out, every single resident, because we call the eyes and ears of SAPS.
Izakhamuzi zincoma umsebenzi wezinhlaka zokuphepha uqinisekisa ukuthi ubugebengu kuba umlando kule ndawo.
I think it's fantastic and I'm glad we've got something like that in our community. I live in Athlone Park. If anything gets stolen, my first little SMS is to let them know what's been taken, and I feel that it's going to have a bit of a follow-up and they will be on the lookout.
Amaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal abalule ukubaluleka kweqhaza lomphakathi ekulwisaneni nobugebengu.
It is very important for police and community structures to have strong relationship, because if police wants to do the work on their own, we are going to fail. We are policing communities.
Isigungu esiqapha ubugebengu emanzi Mtoti sithi ukubambisana kwazo zonke izinhlaka ungahamba ibanga elide ekulwisaneni nobugebengu.